Today I'm back at Whareroa Farm. Going to head up the track up there. This is a nice path to take up to the rocks in the forestry area up the right hand side. Here we have some of the locals of Whareroa Farm. Okay, there's a track here that drops right down to the Whareroa Valley. I'm going to head up to Whareroa Rocks up here. It's 346 meters elevation here. So on a day like today, it is a bit chilly. It's quite an interesting spot here with these big rocks sitting on top of the ground. So this is going to make a nice lunch spot for me. The car park is sort of between me and Kapiti Islands down there. Unfortunately, the public access from Whareroa Farm finishes at Whareroa Rocks. So I've just dropped straight down into the valley here with the aim of going down and up onto the other side where there is another track. There's Whareroa Rocks. I came down through here. So I'm going to try and drop down even further down into this valley here. And try and find a way back up, maybe through here, through the scrub to some grass. This is the valley that I'm still going down. At least it's a nice sunny day and there's actually no wind here in this valley. Quite a steep drop down here. And then I want to get up. There's a valley up through here, through the grass. It's pretty steep. Does seem to be a bit of a trail the animals have made. This is looking good. I think I can get right down to the bottom of this valley without too much drama. very steep going up this way, but it is the most direct. Got my walking poles, that'll help. I'm across the creek now. I'm going to put my camera away now, get the walking poles out, and I'll see you at the top. Kapiti Island in the distance there. This is where I came up over the side of the hill. That is where I just came up. Time to head back to the car park now. Just looked at the map. This track isn't on the map, but there's blue poles here. Maybe it's an old decommissioned track. Big pylons through here that send electricity around the country. That's where I walked up this morning on the other side there. Thank you for watching this Wellington Walker adventure. Hope you enjoyed it. It wasn't quite the outcome that I was originally after. Let me know in the comments what you think about the drone footage. Adds a new dimension to my videos. Quite a steep track, this one, and looks like nobody's really been here for a long time. So I went up this ridge line up to the pine trees, back down through here, down into the valley. Then you can see coming out of this valley, it's very, very steep. Beautiful day on the Kapiti Coast. Okay, it's looking pretty good. I can see down in the valley pretty good now. If you're thinking about going up Mount Wainui, this is probably the best track to take. Not the Whareroa Rocks track, because that comes to a dead end with private property. There's the water catchment here. From World War II. Completes my loop. This is where I turned off the road this morning. Went up to Whareroa Rocks.